on YouTube. Today I got this 2017 Volkswagen Passat with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. I'm going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs today. It's the first one I've done on this particular engine, so you're learning as I learn. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this cover off. Just pull each corner. It's got 4 corners, or 3, or 4. And I just love these Volkswagen connectors. So hopefully nothing breaks. Take off the 10mm bolts on these ground wires. That one's wanting to twist. There we go. I'll come back to that one.
Relationships and that made Emmett trying to be the man in the house and the man before she met Jean. So this is such an important story because the Emmett story is a time in American history. It's also the story of a mother's fight for justice for her son.
All right. Let's find us a 10mm wrench.
Who played Mamie Timothy, Emmett's mom. I mean, well, first off, she's an amazing actress.
There's my 10 right there.
To work with her, it was so much fun.
See if we can get up under there.
So whenever we were filming, it was really easy to film, and it came off camera really good.
Oh man, not good. Come on. Alright, we gotta figure something out here, guys. Let's see. Of course, when I do a video, y'all know how it goes. There's always technical difficulties. Let's see if we can clamp some vice grips on it. But this is just the obstacles technicians face. There we go. Alright. So that's what you do if that happens to you. Okay. Now, we have our coil bolts. So, I'm wondering if I can pull these out without unplugging them, because these connectors are notorious for breaking, and that would be great if we could. That's not looking so promising. So yeah, we're going to have to unplug them. Oh yeah, that one's coming up. Let's get a screwdriver, flathead.
Central on ABC.
So be sure to tune in. Now we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back. You're watching The Real.
I heard it click. There it goes. All right. Let's see. Come on. That's the dumbest design ever. Can we do this without breaking any connectors? Yes. All right. We did it. Success. All right. Come on. Let's just hope no boots break. Now. Come on, baby. Oh, crap. Oh, got it. Whew. Come on, baby. Whew. Man. Could have put a little dielectric grease on there. Ugh. That's ridiculous. Whew. Ah. Whew. 3, baby. Oh, that's ridiculous. Wow. I can't believe I got all 4 of those out and none of those boots broke. I think I cut myself a little bit. Huh. All right. Should be easy selling from here. Jesus. Kind of a workout. Hey, I got this freaking cold. It's not easy to breathe already. These are weird spark plugs. Huh. See what I'm saying about weird? As always, check your tips for not being bent. It's pre-gapped. Already did that when I got them. Oh.
Yeah, now, T, what advice would you share with an artist when it comes to negotiating deals?
When they bottom out, just kind of, little quarter turns good. All right. Away there. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Make this a little easier. Put a little slider in that bad boy. Okay. This stuff will dry as soon as that engine gets hot, so it's not going to hurt nothing. It's amazing what a little lube does, fellas. You know what I mean? Kind of a chill day at the shop. Only my second car and it's past 1 o'clock. I've been here since 7. Sometimes I like an easy day, but I like to make money too.
The Go Big Show are definitely over the top, and my buddy Bert, my picture is crazy. And then how is this different from other competition shows?
All right. Push your boot back some. Did you get them all on? Clicking them down. Till you hear it click. Why ain't that one clicking? Well, it's on. That one clicked. Okay. Put your ground wires back on. That one's kind of bent. Don't want to break it. Whoa, don't want to drop it. Okay. I'm not going to put the cover on until I know everything's kosher. Take these gloves off. I guess I didn't cut myself. Felt like I did. Okay. Smooth as silk, baby. All right, y'all. We did it without breaking anything. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all know what to do. Check the like, subscribe. Peace out.